Mas pinalakas na advokasya para sa Kapampangan cuisine ang isinusulong ng RBC Media Group at One Pampanga Food and Beverage Expo matapos ang ginanap na Memorandum of Agreement signing ceremony noong July 23 sa RBC Studios. Isa sa mga highlight na ikalawang taon ng Expo ang inaugural ng One Pampanga Culinary Cup. Isa itong selebrasyon ng world-class Filipino cuisine na magbibigay daan sa mga aspiring chef, culinary students, pastry artists, at food professionals na maipakita ang kanilang talento at innovation sa culinary arts.
We are preparing or we are showcasing 8 categories. No? Marami po tayong inihanda. No? Meron po tayong mga categories such as modern Kapampangan cuisine, no? Creative breakfast, quick fire pasta, modern Kapampangan food as well, no, and a lot of pastry categories, no, and makikita nyo it's actually 4 savory and 4 na mga pastry categories nung imamount natin dito sa One Pampanga Culinary Cup.
Layunin ng bawat kategorya na maipakita ang makabagong interpretasyon ng classic Filipino at Kapampangan cuisine. Dito, may pagkakataon ng mga kalahok na maipamalas ang kanilang culinary expertise at creativity.
I also want to share that this is actually a platform, no? Lalo-lalo na sa mga kabataang Kapampangan na gustong mas ma-inspire, mahasa, no? At the same time, mas makapag-connect sa industriya. Lalong-lalo na ang Pampanga, alam naman natin, no? It's not only a culinary capital, but it's a culinary heartland in the Philippines and Central Luzon. Kaya we're very excited to mount this event this coming September.
Kasabay ng kanilang paghahanda, opisyal lang naging media partner ng nasabing expo ang RBC Media Group sa pamamagitan ng isang Memorandum of Agreement. Dumalo sa official signing sina RBC FVP and COO Billy San Juan, CLTV 36 TV Operations Head Mark William Canlas, Chef Felix Nino Asuncion, lead convener ng One Pampanga Food and Beverage Expo, at Chef Heinz Pelayo, co-lead convener.
For us, it's very important that we have sealed a partnership together with CLTV 36. That we saw how supportive they are. We felt how genuine their care for our community as well. And sobrang nakakatuwa kasi this partnership will not just start here in Pampanga, but also it will it will connect to different province here in Central Luzon. Kaya sobrang nagpapasalamat po kami dito sa nangyaring MOA signing together with CLTV 36.
Inaasahang mas mapapalawak ng kolaborasyong ito ang advokasya sa pagsusulong at pangangalaga ng Kapampangan cuisine, habang hinihikayat ang mas maraming kabataan na ipagpatuloy ang mayamang culinary heritage ng probinsya.
Alam po namin na ito ay regalo po natin, no, sa ating lugar, lalo-lalo na para sa mga Kapampangan na kabataan na talagang gustong mahasa yung kanilang mga culinary skills. And not only with the young or with the students, but also to the professionals who would like to, join in that stage, on that platform, para may ready po natin sila, not only in national level, but also in a global level. So we would like to invite you this coming September 16 and 17, happening at SM Clark Event Center. Makabeta mo po. This is One Pampanga Culinary Cup.
Abangan sa CLTV 36 ang event at competition highlights, exclusive updates, at inspiring stories mula sa second One Pampanga Food and Beverage Expo at first One Pampanga Culinary Cup na gaganapin mula September 16 hanggang 20, 2026. Kasama si Vin de la Peña, Angelica Cara, CLTV 36 News.